Today I'm just going to show some short steps how to create a project and import some footage into Premiere Pro. First thing that I advise that you do is to create a folder in which you keep your footage. You can drag and drop your footage into the folder. This will help you organize and keep your footage all in one place. So you can drag and drop into a folder, name it the same as your sequence. Once you've done that and all your footage is in that folder, you can then open Premiere Pro and you can open new project. Once you've opened the new project, title it the same as your folder so it all stays organized. Pick the destination where you're going to save the folder. Pick the folder you have created with your footage in. That way your saved or edited project will go and save in the same folder as your original footage before it was edited. You can then look for your folder and look for the footage that you want to edit. Name the sequence. Click create. It will then open up a project window and your footage will already be inside the timeline. The monitor at the top is reference monitor. If you click play, it will play your footage. That is your sequence that's been created, and that's pretty much it. And once you've done that, you can start editing your footage and playing around with it and getting to learn Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.